Hey guys, I just got the call from the post office. They just called and said the bees are in, so I'm on the way to get them now. The lady on the phone told me to please hurry and come get them because they're in there buzzing. So they shipped out yesterday and just got here today, so that's pretty fast. So I'll be right back. Well guys, the bees are here. The bees are here. Still a little nervous, but hey, that's part of life, right? That's the way I always do things. If I don't know how to do something, I'm gonna look it up and figure out how to do it, and gonna try to master it eventually. So that's what I'm here to do now. I want to try to master this, or at least become proficient at it. So this is the last step I just needed to do. Just buy the bees and put them in the beehives. I'm on the way to the house right now to go ahead and install them. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Well guys, I'm all suited up, as you can see. So let's go ahead and get this adventure on the road. Okay guys, here we are. I'm going to try to do this as fast as possible without disturbing them. Go ahead and pop up the certificate that came with it. Don't need that. Let's see here what I'm going to do first. Try to loosen up the queen first. Put the staple in there good. Let me see if I can do it from the other side. You guys can see a little better. Try to get this out real quick. Slide that over. Whoop. So the bees are getting out. I'll get the brush real quick and just brush them off right there. Now let's get our hand on the queen. Look at that, they already started building a comb on the queen. No wonder it was hard to come up just now. Let's go ahead and lay her there real quick. Gently brush some of these guys off. I'm going to go ahead and keep this for later purpose. Let me go ahead and get something to poke that to get the queen free. me see here. Oh, it just popped right out. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jab that with something just every so slightly. Just poked a little hole in it just a bit to give them a little head start with her. Let's go ahead and move the brush to the side. I'm gonna probably put her directly in the middle here. Just gonna go ahead and try to pinch her right here between these two frames. Trying to get it to lower a little bit so that way they can still get her smell and everything pretty good. That might be it for now, guys. What I'm going to do, I don't have any sugar water now. I'm getting ready to go get some, but I'm going to go ahead and do a quick knock on the ground, dump them over, shake them out. You know, I just did that completely wrong. I just realized I should have took out about 2 or 3 of the frames first, but like I said, it's a learning experience. A little nervous, I admit. That's why I'm out here with no gloves on. You know, I used to play with bees and stuff when I was little. I figured ain't nothing to be nervous about. I done been overseas, Afghanistan, Iraq and all. So if I can conquer that, I can conquer bees, right? Eventually what I do is come out here a couple of times, you know, with the suit off to get used to them and stuff. But so far, it seems like it's going good. I just made that one mistake, you know, forgetting to move a couple of the frames out before I dump them in there. I'm getting ready to probably just move a couple of these frames here out the way and brush them down a little. I'm gonna go ahead and let them calm down for a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and gently try to squeeze this one back in there. I want to move that piece of comb right there out the way. What I'm going to do, instead of just sitting here, I'm just going to go ahead and try to slide getting a little braver, pushing the weight in my hand now. Try to see if I can get them to just get in there kind of good. It's amazing to hear that, just to see them releasing everything they do like that. Now here's the feeder I'm getting ready to put on. I'm trying to think, let me see here. Looks like they're doing good. I'm going to go ahead and mix up some solution for them, some sugar water for them, and I'll be right back.